Let me fix this. Alright, so what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What I had planned for today is I hit a curb. Not hit a curb, but I hit like I guess a little ditch, and it pretty much crashed up the black plastic dip in the front of my car. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and get that changed. Well, peel it off and retouch it up, basically, to make it seem a little bit better. And let me get the can. Alright, so the can I have, I just went to go purchase, is, I don't know if this is the same color or not. This is the part that kind of confuses me a little bit. What I'm going to do is peel the whole thing off and retouch it up again with this. So as you can see, there we go. Yeah, that good stuff. So I mean, I got it from the auto store for what, $9, 10 bucks. So, alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoy this. Let's get right to it. Alright, so one of the things I wanted to say before I get this video started, I want to thank you everybody for watching my video, for the support, for the likes, for the comments, and for the subscribes. I made it this far, so it may not seem a lot, but it really, to me, it is. I really appreciate all y'all support. So I really hope I can keep this channel going and head in the right direction. Again, thank you so much. I really mean it. Love all y'all guys out there. Thanks. So like I said, we really appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and get this started because I'm ready to get this done and over with. Alright, so I kind of lied. I didn't peel it off because the coat was very, very thin. I had a little scratch at it, so it took me a lot longer. I just layered it with another coat, multiple coats. It looks really good. It doesn't look like a scratch was even there. I'm amazed how well it looks. It's gloss, I think, and I realized when I moved the tape off the front of the can, there was like a little small spot. It said it was gloss, so it had a little gloss to it. So I'm like, yeah, this look a lot better. As you will see in this picture right over here, or I will do the whole picture on the screen for you. Alright, so take a look. Looks way better than it did before. I think because the other one was faded, it looks way better. From a distance. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. Also, one other thing, I'm actually thinking about doing this. You know, of course, as you can see, I did do spacers in the back. I'm thinking about putting just little spaces in front and kind of get that right flush. You know, I want to get that right out. So I really hope it looks well. So I'm actually thinking about doing that. It's one of the next thing I'm going to eventually buy and see how that goes. Alright guys, that is a wrap. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the like button. Well, that's the same thing, thumbs up, like. Okay, so really hope y'all enjoyed this. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. If I just should do something different, or what kind of experiences that y'all have with the plastic dips. So again, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel. Check out my channel for more content. All these other videos I posted. I do post a video once a week. Eventually I will do twice a week, where I want to start off slow. So alright guys, until next time, peace.